All right, everybody, we're at the Midwest Drags. Little cleaters in. Yeah, we're gonna be in trouble on that trailer. Maybe. It might come out. You're good over here to turn the front more this way. Yeah, you're good.
Allow my TV on brakes to play the song. It literally sounds like a children's elementary school violin class.
Give me a little left hand down. All right.
Harmonica.
There you go. All right, well, we're gonna get started. We gotta change the oil, lash some valves, put some fresh spark plugs in it, and then it's time for us to get to work making some runs. All right, so we're here at Edgewater Motorsports Park for the start of Midwest Drags. See, we're already jumping into it, getting ready to change the oil. I've got to lash some valves, put some spark plugs in it. Cleater's digging for something somewhere. There's his feet and his butt. Morning.
Morning.
So we got some work to do, and then we're gonna start making some runs. So it has been raining the last couple of days here. The track is gonna be very green. They got some test runs in yesterday, although some of our friends that were here trying to get down the track yesterday said it was a little tough. So hopefully the old tune-up that the first pass with the 540, we're gonna put that tune back in it and hope that that goes down the track. So let's get to it. All right, we're gonna do a little two-step test. See if we can get this thing to spool a little faster. The air's not quite as good here. So let's see what happens. What it did. All right, well, let's see what happens. First run out of the way, went a few feet, but I have to look at the data and see just if that's where it was starting to get spicy. See what we can do to make it go better next this again. Complete new combination. You don't exactly get to work for the dope prep stuff when you're testing at Bradenton, because Bradenton is always so on kill. There goes somebody else spitting. Tell you what, it's picky out there today. Something to work with. Not exactly what we were looking for, but we'll see what we can do from there. Alright, so first time really at speed with the 315s on it. As you grab the fender a little bit here. Actually took a couple of chunks out of the tire, so we got to get this off and take a look at it. Alright, so I think we fixed it. That's not good, but we created us a pretty good gap there. It did hurt the paint a little bit, but we'll get that. Rearing our tire back up, because you have to actually deflate these 315s to get them off the car. Is what it is. Gonna go up for another pass, and hopefully this one goes A to B. I got really aggressive with trying to just make the thing slow this time. If we can go a mid-7 anything, really just underpower the whole way. If I can get it to where he goes A to B without having to lift, that's something. And then we can try to get at least 2 mid-7 second passes for today. Nobody's been super fast because everybody's struggling with the track. So here we go for another one. Knocked it in the dirt even more with the tune-up, got more aggressive on the traction control. So we had the traction control on that time, but it had to kind of get wildly out of shape before the traction control would start working. But I tightened it up this time to get after it. Almost as soon as it sees tire spin, it's gonna jump the traction control. So let's see what happens this run. Hopefully A to B, 750 something, and we'll be pretty happy with that.
spoiler. I done cracked the window. The windshield broke. Too many horse torques. Woo! She made it down through there. Traction control was working. We neutered the boost controller. Heck yeah. I didn't have to lift.
All right, we're gonna see if we can knock our average down a little bit more.
Okay here.
Well, settled it one time. What a battle.
Sorry, Doug.
Well, 789, it's getting there, but slowly but surely. All right, well, we lashed the valves like Steve wanted us to do after track runs to get ready for the street, but we've got a little problem in that we ran the battery dead, both with running the fans and bumping the engine over. So now we got to get this thing jumped off. Got V6 from Aero charging there, might hook up another one there. Gotta figure something out here to get us back going. Once we're running again, the alternator will charge the battery, it won't be good, but we got to get back to that point. All right, well, we're back running. I leaned out the idle a little bit, got our idling a little better, kept loading up, wanting to shut off. But we are on the road. So appreciate everybody watching and subscribing. Hopefully we make it to the hotel without any drama. But if not, see you in tomorrow's video.